Good evening from Flaten, Ekudden, this nude beach spot in the beautiful nature. It is 6:30 p.m. and the sun is still up, as you can see, and I have found a perfect spot to swim this evening. So I will be going to swim going forward, either late in the evening or very early in the morning, but it's gonna be same interesting beach adventures. Today is 17th of June 2026 and super sunny day, 23 degrees Celsius in the air. Finally the heat is back after a few days of cold and cloudy weather. And we're gonna see in a bit the temperature in the Lake Flaten. This side here, it has super sun. If you see on the other end, it is cloudy. The water looks so inviting, and I am definitely going to jump in the water. Let's see how warm it is. I was here 2 days ago on the other end of this beach in the Flaten nature. It was, I think, 18 degrees. So I'm very curious to what do we have today. It is 19 degrees Celsius. It has warmed up today with all the sun, which is amazing indeed. So yes, beach adventures with Chris continue. Beach number 64 is today, and this is my relaxed part of the day. It will be a nice swim for half an hour before I head back home to have a nice dinner. So let's not wait any longer and go in directly into the lake with a jump, because I'm so tired and I really want to go in directly with a dip in the Lake Flaten. And let's see if I'm gonna make it with a 30 minutes swim as well. So ready, set, and jump. I love it. It's so amazing and so relaxing at the same time. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. I just love this type of perfect beaches in the nature, especially when the sun is up and they are facing either west or south, so you can enjoy fully. The days are getting longer and longer, and it's basically just 2 hours that is dark in Sweden currently, in Stockholm. If you go more up north, it is day all day. I was last year in June in Luleå, and it was no sunset at all. It was bright all day long, and I stayed up all night as well. It was something. So yes, this weekend is midsummer, and I'm going to go to a very nice island to celebrate the holiday with a Swedish family and friends, which is amazing indeed. So yes, this is probably one of the first episodes that I'm doing it this late. It's 6:30, but bear in mind the sun is still up, so it feels like day, even though it is evening technically. And it's super nice in the water, I'm not gonna lie. It is so amazing indeed. So let me show you more of my view and how lovely it is in the lake while it is 19 degrees Celsius in the lake and 23 in the air also, so perfect indeed. This will be my go-to spot for the evenings, but in the morning there is no sun on this end, so we need to find a different go-to spots for the mornings going forward. Indeed. So yeah, let's dive in again in the water to see more in the underwater creatures. Amazing, amazing indeed. Oh. Okay, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit longer. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.